So you just wish your NPCs could hit a moving target. Not a problem. Right-click, create a new blueprint component. Name it intercept aim. And then create a new function called intercept calculate. Inside this component, we're going to need 3 variables, 2 vector 3s named predicted perfect hit location, intercept point, and 1 float called estimated time to target. The main node should have 4 inputs. 3 vector 3s called target position, target velocity, projectile start location, and 1 float called projectile speed. And on the return, we have 1 output, which is our predicted target position. Now, here's how you set it up. From the target position, drag out a distance vector. Connect it to the projectile start location, then drag that into a safe divide and connect it to the projectile speed. And then set the estimated time to target to that equation, then multiply it by a target velocity and add it to the target position, and set that to the predicted perfect hit location. Now, just so that we can see what's going on, drag out the debug sphere so we can visualize this. Set the radius to something like 20 and color it yellow or something. We can delete this after we know it works, but plug all that into the return node, and now in your turret blueprint, there's a lot of flexibility. It doesn't really matter what radar or detection system you are using. For this video, I'm assuming you already have some sort of turret blueprint, you just don't know how to get it to aim ahead of the target. So in that blueprint, I am assuming that you already have an actor variable that represents the target you are feeding the turret, and some sort of arrow representing where the bullet is being fired from. The only thing you need to add is the intercept aim component that we just created. And when we drag that into the event graph, drag out the intercept calculate from the component, get the target enemy's location and velocity and plug them in like so. Then get the projectile launch location and drag that in right here, and whatever speed your projectile is, put that here. This has to be the same speed as your bullet is traveling. My bullet is traveling at a speed of 4,000, but you can make yours whatever you want. Once you've got all that plugged in, all we gotta do is make the turret look straight at the predicted intercept location. You can do this however you want. I'm just gonna have it rotation lerp. My turret's aiming is the same as the direction it's facing, which means when I rotate the body, I'm also rotating the aiming. So all I gotta do is get the world's rotation, the world location, find look at rotation, get the world delta seconds, set the interp speed to something like 25, and drag all of that into a set world rotation, connect everything like so, and you're done. If you run the game now, the turret should be facing the intercept of the target it's trying to shoot. And if it fires, you can see this because we have a yellow debug dot in front of where the target is moving. That yellow dot is really what your turret is looking at. And the math behind it makes sure that the bullets will always hit right on time. All of this other stuff here is really just like controlling how many turret scans finds the target and how often it fires its weapon, or just smoothly transitions from one target to another. None of the code around here is related to the intercept. It's really just normal turret stuff. But there are a few things that you should know. Number 1, the enemy you are firing at needs to be using the built-in Unreal Physics components. Usually this isn't a problem if you're using the character movement component or the projectile movement component, because all of those have built-in velocity variables that you can grab. If your enemy is moving without the Unreal Physics though, you will have to calculate the velocity yourself. Also, I have found this works best when your enemy is a actor type. When I tried to change this to pawn, the velocity stopped working for some reason. I'm not really sure why. And yeah, that's how you do intercept and hit moving targets in Unreal 5. Of course, if you're a tier 2 member on Patreon, you can download this exact project for free. And if you're not a member, you can still get it from my Patreon for 30 bucks. But again, if you don't want to spend money, you can follow the video and recreate it by yourself absolutely free. The paid versions are really just for those who don't have the time to build this, or maybe don't trust themselves to do it correctly. You know, we don't want money to be the main issue that you can't find the information you need, so they support the show each month to make sure that all my videos are free. But that being said, thanks for watching, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.